Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to access the essay assignment and then where you're going to submit it. So we have it in two places because really this is supposed to be an activity that goes across several days. So first you're going to go to 109 in your plan and go to more. And that's where, it's going to take you to all of the elements of the lesson, some practice, and then you're going to click on Right Now, Memoir Drafting. That is where it's going to have your assignment and your rubric. Okay, so this is where it tells you what we're asking you to write. You click on it, it'll open up as a doc, so you can sort of know what the general overview is. Then the second thing on this page is the rubric, and this is just telling you what I'm going to be grading for, okay? So this just shows you this is what I'm looking for when I grade. So if it were me, I would spend Monday and Tuesday working on writing the assignment, Wednesday and Thursday work on editing and revising, and then on Friday morning, I would just do kind of a final once over, look it over, and submit it, which is why when you go to your plan for Friday, and you'll see right here at noon, because that's the due date, you're going to click on 110 graded assignment memoir due, click on that more, click on the assignment, and then down here, you're going to see add a file. So it's got the rubric, so you know what I'm looking for. Add a file, go to my computer, upload. Here, I'll just take a random file for me. And then you click add and submit. And you'll see this screen where it says submission successful. And then you'll usually get a confirmation email saying that your submission has been successfully uploaded. And then you can click done. So let me know if you have any more questions. I am happy to give you any more guidance you might need.